This is the garage door race. Every garage doors are opening now. Looking for a lift master. How are you?
Doing great.
You like garage doors? I love garage doors. That's why I was opening them. I'm a garage door man. This is Army DRV, the garage door man. Okay, close these both and make sure released. Here's a bigger one. Every garage doors are closing so far. I think it's so wonderful I get it glued like this, so wanted to see how the rest cables are. Here. Here's the belt tabs on it. See how they're removed? They're remodeled. See, torsion spring. And the opener's right here. There you go. See if it is again. See, the button for sure is going to open. How are you doing, Arya? Come in. Yeah? You see one of those houses going to Broughton by for sale. Yeah, I see the rest of the homes. You're in my closet. Look. Look.
Don't break
See the
it.
lights?
Hi,
Hi, how are you doing?